Today I am putting together a cute little sunset landscape, very beginner friendly. So first we start off with wetting the paper just with water. I used Magnesium Blue Nova, ISO Yellow Deep. Do you guys have any favorite colors you would like to share? And I also am using Oprah. And the purple is bright purple that I'm using. Do you guys have a favorite technique? Wet on wet is one of my favorites. It makes such soft, pretty edges. And I like how the colors sort of bleed into one another. So getting a little bit of my whites back. If you want more fluffy clouds in there, just take a piece of paper towel and dab at it. Once it's dry, I am taking any stencil that I have on hand, and I'm using kind of a stiff bristle brush, and I am taking some of the paint off to make that circular sunset. And then I'm adding back some pretty yellows and oranges. Now in the foreground, there is some of these long, tall grasses. Using the same color palette, I just mixed a darker shade of purple. I think I might have mixed it with a little bit of indigo. Using a script liner to make the grasses. Do you guys have any favorite brushes for fine details? I just make long strokes, and then I'm just filling in with some different variances of the dark shades. Added a few wet areas to add a darker and fuzzy bunch of grasses in the background. And that's it. This is just a very quick 10-minute little project. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching.